Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and if you have any kind of stock market news or updates or notifications for any of that, you're probably wondering what the hell happened to oil. So, oil actually went negative yesterday. And you're probably wondering, how is that even possible? How is it possible that I can basically go to the gas station and they ask me if I want to, if they can fill up the tank and give me $30? So basically, the futures contracts don't work like option contracts on oil futures or most of the commodity futures, which means that not do you buy a contract to have the option of buying something at a future price and at a later date. You're actually buying a contract to get the oil at a specific date for a specific price that you're paying right now. So that means that you commit to getting oil delivered at a certain date. So that, and the problem here is that what traded or what fell to negative $40 a barrel is a delivery in May. And that was the last day the May delivery date actually traded on the stock exchange. And so basically you're committing to buying something in May that you may not be able to store and or get rid of. So the second problem is that June is fine, and so is up to January 2021. The price up to then slightly increasing pretty much every month. And when I say fine, I mean it's very low, but it's definitely not negative. So the oil price right now for June futures are over $20 a barrel, and it increases to $34 for a January 2021 delivery. It's just that the May delivery prices kind of tanked a little bit, and by a little bit I mean negative $40 a barrel, which people would be happy about positive $40 a barrel, especially if you're an oil producer right now. So negative $40 a barrel is kind of a problem for a lot of people. And basically, it's just that storage capacity is basically at the maximum right now, or not the capacity. The capacity is pretty much over. They filled it all up. It's very hard to stop production in some places. In other places, it's slightly easier, but still, it's probably cheaper to just keep the pumps running and try to do something with the oil rather than shut the production down and kind of deal with it that way. So overall, the oil producers would probably be happier if it's a very short-term problem to pay someone to take the oil rather than focus on the price and try to shut down production, which, as I said, in many cases is not really an option. So there you have it. Oil producers are producing oil even though they can't really sell it because the demand is just not there. And storage capacity is basically completely taken up by oil that was already bought at very cheap prices. And so we have the May delivery for oil. That was the last trading day, which means basically you committed to buying the oil on that date. So overall, it's something that I have never seen before, and something that I'm probably never going to see again. But it wasn't something that affects the overall oil price for a long time. So things are probably going to be fine. It's just last trading day of things and storage capacity being completely dead. So that's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.